What's going on, everybody? I'm about to do this taillight install on my 2001 Corvette. I just got these in. I've been waiting for them to come in for a little while. I love these lights from the first time I saw them with this whole infinity background here. Oh my God. I definitely fell in love with them. This is my '01 C5. It's a base model. Got a couple mods done to it, but I really love it as a driver. It's been a very, very awesome car to just drive all around the U.S. Gets awesome gas mileage. I can't say, I don't know, I can't say so many good things for it. I mean, there's too many things to say. It's a great car. So I'm going to put these awesome new taillights on here. The install is going to be pretty basic, but I can't lie, I watched another video to do this, so I'm not just doing this because I know how. I'm doing this because I watched another video. So you can check that video out on Vet Lights YouTube channel. Go check them out. That in there. Come on out. All right, I got the screws out on this deal. Like I said, pretty easy to do. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to pop the lights out, and then I'm going to unbox this right here. And if you don't want to watch the video, they even give you the install guide on this deal. Again, it's pretty simple to do if you watch the video, but it's also easy to do if you just read these instructions here. And here they are. They are packaged very well. It's got this good foam, and I mean, it's all tight fit. Man, I'm excited to get these things on. Also, when you're doing the installation, keep your key fob in the back to kind of check to make sure that you plug the lights in correctly, because you can do it incorrectly pretty easily. So, factory side. Vet Lights hotness side. Factory dull. Aftermarket hotness. Wow, what a difference. All right, they're all in and they look great. I'm going to go ahead and show you the features that I have set. And there's more features that I'm going to show you, but these are the ones that I like best, and I think you'll like them too. All right, these have the infinity look going on in here. Love that look. Oh, I love that. It looks a little bit different in person than on the screen here. But man, they are bright. They look good. I really love the look. All right, let's check out the turn signal feature. All right, I chose the sequential with the amber. I think that looks nice. I really like it. It gives you the gives you the definite look of a turn signal, with the amber and the in the blinking, obviously. Still got the red over here when you got the turn signal going on over here. And like I said, you can change between amber and red, the infinity. There's also like a dot style instead of the infinity, and there's also a non-infinity in case you want to do that. And we're done. Shout out to Vet Lights, Cole, man, awesome people up there, easy to deal with. Super, super great customer service. Give them a call or just order from their website. Find them online at Vet Lights. They're definitely easy to get a hold of. They got social media, Facebook, Instagram. Go subscribe to their YouTube because they're always coming out with new stuff. I mean, this is an older platform. This is a C5. We're already to C8, and they're still coming out with new stuff for us enthusiasts. You got to respect that in this day and age. A lot of people move on to other platforms, and they forget the people that have the the cars that aren't exactly brand new. This is a 2001, and we're in 2024. So it's an older car now. In Texas, 25 years in an antique. I can't even grasp this car being an antique, but it is what it is. I'm super in love with this car. It's been an awesome car so far to me, and I know you guys are going to love these taillights on yours. So go check them out.